Sobrang natuwa talaga kami sa highly rated restaurant na to, and marami rin naman nag-agree sa inyo sa comments when I uploaded the first video. So today I'll be sharing a part 2 of everything we ate at Oliva Bistro Cafe. Let's go! 4.8 yung Google rating nila, so hindi na rin naman nakakagulat na masarap talaga yung food. If you're big on breakfast, then I highly recommend Oliva's Ultimate Breakfast na packed with all the classics. Premium sausage na juicy and flavorful, crispy bacon, decently tender waffles, perfectly cooked eggs, and for me, this tomato pesto was the cherry on top that made this meal even better. Kung protein-packed breakfast naman hanap mo, then this salmon and spinach omelette with French toast is for you. Super na-enjoy namin yung combination ng sweet, buttery French toast with the savory and fluffy omelette na may creamy spinach and tender salmon chunks inside. Yung mga Japanese rice bowls rin pala sila, and we tried the salmon teriyaki. We found the salmon a bit overcooked lang, although masarap talaga siya flavor-wise. Sweet, savory, and a bit smoky, tapos nanuot talaga yung sauce sa salmon. Yung beef gyudon naman, again, sana mas tender